नमस्कार. आयच्या ह्या खाशेल्या कार्यावळीत तुमकां सगळ्यांक येवकार. कोविडाची सिच्युएशन गोंयभर कितें चल्लां हें तुमकां खबरच आसा. पण मुखार कशें वचपाचें, सरकाराच्या मनात कितें आसा, सरकार कितें पावलां उबारता, ह्या सगळ्या गजालींचेर आमी भासाभास करतले. आनी त्याच बरोबर 70रीचो IITचो इशू, जाचेर फाटले 4-5 दीस बरेंच रणकंदन जालें, तो इशू फुडें कसो वता आनी खंय वचपाचो. आमचे बरोबर आसात गोंय राज्याचे भलायकी मंत्री, वाळपयचे आमदार आनी संकां 70री भितर जे म्हणटात की जो विकास जावपाचो आसा ताची दिशा आपल्याक पुरायपणान खबर आसा, विश्वजीत राणे. सर, वेलकम टू द शो. लेट अस स्टार्ट विथ द मेजर प्रॉब्लेम, कोवीड. 11 डेथ जाल्यो आनी एवरी डे ऑन एन एवरेज 90+ पेशंट्स मेळटात. डीड यू एनविसाज दीस सिच्युएशन दॅट वी वूड रीच हियर ऑर दिस इज अनएक्सपेक्टेड?
No, as far as Goa is concerned, I would, to your medium, through Prudent Media, I would like to mention to every citizen of Goa that definitely I have been always saying that Goa cannot be insulated from the rest of the parts of the country. As far as India is concerned, if you notice that there are several states and several places in which there are spikes taking place beyond what one can imagine. And as a result of which, when movement happens, essential goods keep on coming from one place to another. There is amount of community transmission that is taking place in the state of Goa, which is established that there is community transmission. We cannot say at this stage that there is no community transmission. Community transmission definitely happens when such movement happens. And a big type of containment zone, which Mangur was another instance where we found, and it was a learning experience for us also here in Goa. But let me tell you, is as we speak, yes, there are 11 deaths. Even the boy who died today, the patient who died today morning had underlying chronic alcoholism was one of his major areas. So there are other complications that led to which were underlying conditions, which generally we find that the COVID is affecting people in Goa, basically having underlying other health issues. So basically overall, when you go to see, as far as the state is concerned, we are learning from what is happening. It's a learning for every person, and medication as and when is required is being procured. Let me mention to you that Remdesivir, the medication was ordered more than 15-20 days back. And the question, yesterday you must have seen on the television that there was a news article that the government of India is also clamping down on the pharmaceutical companies and all, which are charging much higher than what the actual original cost is. This medicine I had yesterday mentioned on through my Twitter. It is around 3,500, but it's about 4,200 per vial. Even the other medication that is there, which yesterday I made a mention also through my Twitter handle, is costing around close to 40,000 rupees per the medicine is such that it is very expensive, and as a result of which that particular medication, I'm just trying to get you, because as we speak I'm getting a lot of these WhatsApps through the phone. I just wanted to mention that there are 3 medications on the Twitter that I mentioned, and this one is costing us around 40,000 rupees per patient. That is given in the first phase, where the cytokine storm, which it is called. Basically, at that point of time, that particular medication is given. It costs about 40,000 each, and we have procured. We are already put in requisition for procurement of about 100 such things, 100 such this vials of this medicine. And as far as the Glenmark medication is concerned, that also we have put in a request. Basically, that is generally used to reduce the viral load to extent. It does not cure COVID, but definitely helps in reducing the viral load in the patient. आता जेन्ना आमी केन्ना डिस्कशन करता, तुमचे फुडें येवपाचो उद्देश इतलोच आशिल्लो, and the reason to come in front of you in through Prudent Media, which has a wide outreach in terms of reaching out to the people of the state of Goa, is that we cannot escape from this spike. This spike is going to happen. All we need to do is to see that we take safe precautions, send your children, go out only if it is required. Mask wearing has become the need of the hour, social distancing, and we are also going to clamp down heavily on people who do not wear masks. We have asked the district administration that we must ensure that people are safe and we keep others also safe. Suppose a person has got, suppose by default he has got COVID-19 and he goes out everywhere without a mask, he'll become a risk to other people's lives. Yeah. In addition, what we have done is that we have basically, as far as COVID is concerned, we have been doing our best to see that we are able to take all precautions as far as the patients are concerned. Patients are concerned, and most important, what is happening is that plasma therapy is something that I've been proposing, and already as we speak, I had already announced the other day in the newspapers, that we are going in for plasma banking. We do not require any permission as far as plasma banking is required, because we already have a registered blood bank. I spoke to ICMR chief, our secretary Neela Mohanan, and all other officials, and Dean Goa Medical College are actively moving on this. As far as the chief minister is concerned, Dr. Pramod Sawant, we have taken approval from him. We are getting 2 doctors from AIIMS. And 1 year back, I had already bifurcated the department of blood bank pathology, and we had made a separate department of transfusion medicine. So we are getting 2 MDs of transfusion medicine as far as 2 doctors, and another 2 doctors are willing to join. So we are taking about 4 doctors in transfusion medicine, so that we are able to manage this plasma therapy, plasma banking, and all these other apheresis machine also, which I had proposed the other day, has been approved by the government. Apheresis machine is already arrived in Goa Medical College, and that will be commissioned on Monday. Already, the reason why I had to come in front of you was that we have kept a Dr. Preeti, whose number I would like to share. It is 7875181284. And there's another sister, Marcelina, who's actually in part of the SOTO. Her number is 9822791732. And what we are trying to do is trying to ask people who have recovered from COVID-19 and who are now eligible to donate their plasma, basically to talk to these 2 people. They will give you all the information, and most importantly, this is going to be activated from tomorrow. And basically, whole idea is to encourage people to come and donate their plasma, because this will help in saving people's lives. Yeah. Everything that is possible for the state government to do. And in addition, I've had a word with the Secretary Health. And what we have decided is that it is the need of the hour, because a lot of people were complaining about various deficiencies in the COVID hospital. People were talking, I mean, people are justified in saying and bringing their point of view. But as far as we are concerned, as it was a learning experience for us, and as the number of beds for us, we have got sufficient number of beds as we speak in the COVID hospital. Recovery also, if you see every day, we are still staggering between 850 and 900 and odd. So basically, recovery bhi amchi jata, it's around 70, 50, 70, 50, 70. So, I mean, we have not crossed 100,000, we have not crossed 1,000 active cases as we speak. Number of cases total, including the cases that have cured, is around more than 2,000 and odd. So when you take those cases of COVID in the state of Goa, but as we speak, active cases in the state of Goa is somewhere between 850 and 900. I think the Secretary Health has given a detailed bulletin yesterday during a press briefing. She has given a detailed information. But what we are trying to do, encourage people to come forward. And as I am speaking to you, I would like to share with you that 2 people have already come and donated their plasma to Goa Medical College. And this is something very encouraging. And through your medium, we would like to tell the people to come forward, come and donate your plasma. We have got sufficient storage capacity as far as Goa Medical College is concerned. This is for the media to know that we can store about 4,000 packs of plasma if required. At the moment, we are dedicating 2 freezers that we can take a capacity of 2,000. And these 3 medications, which I said, they're all in the process. Aisha Disa, and all over the country, there are spikes taking place. As you see the television every day, it's not only in India, but globally also, you find that things are on the rise. And as far as India is concerned, things are definitely on the rise. But in Goa, we are finding that as far as the rise is concerned, the same amount, where recovery is also on the higher side. And we are trying our best to see that each and every aspect is taken care of. Another thing.
Go ahead, Sangat.
Another thing is that we are now trying to get a single agency, 1 or 2 agencies, basically to manage the COVID care centers. हे कोविड केअर सेंटरचे आहात त्यांचे जेवण पासून सगळे लॉन्ड्री पासून सगळे हाऊसकीपिंग पासून सगळ्या गोष्टी 1-2 एजन्सीच्या माध्यमातल्यान आम्ही ते चलोवपाचो आमचो प्रयत्न असो. सेक्रेटरी काय नोट धाडून दिल्ले आसा की तुम्ही हे 2-3 अशे गोष्टी तुम्ही एक्झामिन करात. त्याच बरोबर पोर्टिया म्हणून एक कंपनी आहा. देयर इज अनदर कंपनी कॉल्ड पोर्टिया. This company basically is tied up with government of Delhi government, basically to manage home quarantine. कदाचित 2000 cases जर फाल्या जर पुढे वचत, we'll have to examine other possibilities in seeing how we can manage and how we can tie up with professional agencies to see that all the people are taken care of and proper reporting systems are there in place. Now today, at the speed at which for 4-5 days back we announced about plasma banking, today we already have a apheresis machine in Goa Medical College. Monday it will be commissioned. As we speak, 2 people have come forward, and let me tell you, a lot of people, prominent people in the state of Goa, are forming a team in bringing people, and they are interacting with each other, and they are encouraging people and moving this message across, and they themselves are sending me message that this is so and so, he would like to donate his plasma, and which is most welcome. And this is the need of the hour. We must be ready for any kind of eventuality. But as far as things are concerned, improving of infrastructure is concerned, improving of facilities in the COVID hospital or wherever it is concerned, we are putting our mind and effort to see that people are safe, right treatment, right medication, whatever is the latest we try to procure and improve our facilities.
एक म्हाका मुद्दाम विचारपाक की जेन्ना आतां आज मोर देन 40 विलेजीस आज केसीस आसात अशा परिस्थिती भितर एक सुरवात जाली मांगोर हिलांतल्यान आनी मांगोर हिला उपरांत समहाव वी आर रियलायझींग नाव की इंडस्ट्रियल इस्टेट्स आनी एस्पेशली वेर्णा इंडस्ट्रियल इस्टेट वॉज सायलंटली बिकमींग अ मेजर हॉटस्पॉट आनी ट्रान्समिटर. डू यू थिंक दॅट आस्पेक्ट कारण भायल्यान वर्कर्स हाडटाले मागीर रिस्ट्रिक्शन्सूय खूब सदळ जाल्लीं. डू यू थिंक खंय तरी आडनदर जाली वेर्णा इंडस्ट्रियल इस्टेटी कडेन जाका लागून चड गांवांनी व्हायरस पावलो?
तशें ना तें प्रश्न आसा. दिस इज अ सिच्युएशन इज लायक दिस. यू लुक एट द पीपल हू आर वर्किंग इन द हॉस्पिटल्स. लॉट ऑफ आवर हेल्थ वर्कर्स एंड स्टाफ हैव ऑल्सो गॉट इन्फेक्टेड and with COVID-19. Industry also, their workers come from different places. If this person, if there was one of these units where the worker came from, concerned individual came from Vasco, and then about 20 to 30 people of their workers, their staff got infected. I always have said, is that testing is the only way forward. And as a result of which, as we speak, I mean, I always mention that we are always trying our best to see how we can test and move forward, because what we need to do is isolate people if they are positive from the people who are not been infected. And for this, Goa is a small state where we can replicate in a different model. Our testing is one of the highest in the country. And as far as testing is concerned, we are also trying shortly. I've already given the nasal swabs that is being used by the Kerala government to the Dean Goa Medical College and the microbiology department to use these swabs and check them and match them with the Abbott machine that we have got, and also the TrueNet machine that we have got. कारण जर तुमका maximum mass testing करचे पडले, then we can, as far as industry is concerned, we can the policy of the government, whether they will charge, not charge, I cannot say, because the chief minister has to decide on these issues. And most importantly, my only solution in today's time, whether there is industrial estate, I was just talking to the chief minister yesterday, is there is a need now that in every industrial estate, in every area where there are large assembly of people and large people getting together for any kind of industrial activity or can be tourism related activity, we need to ensure that testing facilities and kiosks are made available, monitored by the government, so that we can, have maximum testing done and people are safe. The only way forward, I feel, is the protocol followed by the Kerala government, and the Goa government also has its own protocols, and which is equally stringent, and our secretary has been monitoring it very well. Today, when we see that there are spikes taking place, तुम्ही जे म्हणता आता गोंया भर पसरला, डेफिनेटली, कारण कोण तरी इंडस्ट्रीन काम करता, कोण तरी वास्कोच्यान तो थंय येता कामाक. वास्को कित्याक आयज आमच्या 70 बी थोडे केसीस गावले आसा. 2 जण कोविड हॉस्पिटलान काम करतले ते बी पॉझिटिव्ह जाल्ले आसा. हेज्या खातीर आमकां विचार व्यवस्थित करचो पडटलो, आनी त्याच बरोबर हेल्थ वर्कर, फ्रंटलायन वर्कर, आउटसोर्स. हांवें काल नोट धाडल्या की प्रत्येक आउटसोर्स एजन्सी असो काय आमचो स्टाफ असो, ताका ग्लव्स पासून, मास्क पासून, जे कितें ताका लागता ते तुमी लिबरली तांकां दिवपाची गरज आसा. डीनाक रिटर्न इन्स्ट्रक्शन हांवें धाडल्या. त्याच बरोबर हांवें DHSाक बी तेच सांगलेलें आसा. हाऊसकीपिंगाचो मनीस असो, कोणी असो, कित्याक तो आपलो फ्रंटलायनचेर काम करता. आमकां हे सगळे दृश्टिकोनान आमी विचार करून हे फुडें व्हरूंक जाय. आनी आमचें सरकार जें आहा, आमी हें करीत आहा, पूण यू मस्ट ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, माय स्टेटमेंट हॅज नेवर चेंज फ्रॉम द टायम यू एंड मी हॅव बीन इंटरॅक्टिंग, that Goa can never be insulated from what is happening in India.
पळय, म्हाका मुद्दम एक गजाल जाणून घेवपाक, की लोक आतां इवन खूब फावटी आमी लायव्ह करतात, इवन हें लायव्ह चालू आसतना लोकांचो एक डिमांड आसता की आनी एक लॉकडावन जाय, इफ वी वॉन्ट टू अरेस्ट दीस स्प्रेड. वॉट इज युअर फ्रँक पॉयंट ऑफ व्यू? आनी एक लॉकडावन इज सेन्सिबल ऑर नॉट सेन्सिबल?
ह्या परिस्थितीन आमकां वी हॅव टू मॅक्सिमाइज our testing and have more. I personally, this is my personal view, not as a view of the government or as a health minister. My personal view is that we must have more facilities where we can isolate people and keep them as it is. We are doing it, As we speak, the Secretary Health, Chief Secretary, day in and day out, and the Dean Goa Medical College, Director Health Services, all of them are working hard to ensure that we keep COVID-19 under control, have more bed capacity for asymptomatic patients. All this has to be monitored. And आणि एक तुमकां सांगपाची गोष्ट म्हणजे की फुडल्या कॅबिनेटीन आम्ही ऑलरेडी प्रोसेस चालू केल्ले आसा. फाल्यां आम्ही इंटरव्यू दवरल्या म्हणजे एक 30-40-50 एक डॉक्टर आणि 50 आयुर्वेदिक आयुष डॉक्टर्स आणि त्याचबरोबर आणि 50 नर्सीस आणि एक MTS जे कितें लागता आम्ही ते घेवपाचो आमचो प्रयत्न चालूच आसा. म्हणजे आणि कोविड केअर सेंटर, कोविड हॉस्पिटलाक योग्य तरेची फेसिलिटी गावतली. त्याच बरोबर कोविड केअर सेंटर्स जे आहा ते वाडोवपाची गरज पडल्यार ते वाडोवपाची गरज आसतलीच काही दिसांनी. आणि ते आमचे सगळे प्लॅन ए, प्लॅन बी, प्लॅन सी इज ऑन ट्रॅक. सो
तुम्ही म्हणतात की लॉकडाऊनाची सध्या गरज ना.
खंयचे म्हणटा तुम्ही?
लॉकडाऊनाची. Many people asking that another lockdown is important. From a strategic point of view, sensible or not sensible?
Lockdown is not the answer to fight COVID-19 in Goa. We are a small state. We can easily create that many number of beds. And unless it is like Mangur area, which was there, where we declared it as a containment zone. So basically what you need to do, you need to make those containment zones and test every person in that containment zone. That is the only way forward. Micro containment zone असो आणि कितें असो ह्याच तरेन आमकां फुडें वचूंक जाय. लॉकडाऊन तुम्ही करतले, फाल्यां लॉकडाऊन करून तेजो इफेक्ट कितें, लॉकडाऊन करून ते बाकीचे गोष्टी आमकां we have to put on track, but that's not the only solution. Solution is there are multiple things that have to go hand in hand. And as far as our government is concerned, we are doing it and we are ensuring that these things are put in place, and it's the need of the hour, and we will live up to the expectations of the people. केन्ना लोकांक दिसता की बाबा कितें चल्ला, आयज लोक जाय ते बरू शकता, लोकांक अधिकार आहा, डेमोक्रेसीन कोणाक कितें म्हणूंक जाय म्हणू शकता, पण त्याच बरोबर हांव तुमकां एक सांगूंक सोदता की आमचें काम आमकां फुडें व्हरूंक जाय. And as far as I speak, when you know it very well, that I also take advice and also interact with various doctors from the private sector as well as experts in the field. What they suggest, then I put it in, pen it down, and I send it to Secretary Health that this is the suggestion. Why don't you examine it? And this is the way forward. Lockdown is a very easy word, but and parallelly, I think increasing the number of testing and having strict implementation of stringent SOPs which we have in place is the need of the hour.
म्हाका एक गजाल फ्रँकली विचारपा इज रिगार्डिंग द डिले आतां 2 गजालींचो. एक प्लाझ्मा थेरपी. आय रिमेंबर यू आर द फर्स्ट पर्सन हू प्रोपगेटेड दॅट वी शूड बी अहेड ऑफ टायम्स अँड ब्रिंग दीस. आज आमी ऑलमोस्ट प्रोबेबली अ डिले ऑफ मोर देन अ मंथ इन गेटिंग दीस. सेम विथ दी मेडिसिन्स वीच आर लायफ सेविंग मेडिसिन्स. अशें दिसता खंय तरी ब्युरोक्रेटीक लेवलाचेर ऑर एडमिनिस्ट्रेटीव लेवलाचेर खंय तरी आडखळ आसा की तुमकां कितें तरी बेगीन करपाचें आसता पण ते जाय तितली बेगीन जायना.
ना कितें आहा, as let me go on record that I am very proud to have a very dynamic secretary, Neela Mohanan. We have got a very experienced officer in our chief secretary, Mr. Parimal Rai. And I think the team of officers are never putting any kind of hurdles. Let me be on record that everything is moving at a pace, but also that remdesivir medicine jasa, that cannot be used on any patient. The other day when a statement was made regarding my colleague, Mr. Cleophas, I would like to go on record and make a mention to you that Chief Minister spoke to the Union Health Minister and also the Dr. Guleria. We had a conversation with him. He spoke to the doctors at the COVID hospital. Dr. Sunanda Amonkar आमची थंय आसा, त्याच्याकडे चर्चा करून he ensured and he said that this is not a case to use that particular medication. फाल्यां मेडिकेशन असले तरी बी आयज आमच्याकडे एक 30 वायल्स आसा. आमी 1000 वायल्स आमकां जाय म्हणून आमी रिक्विजिशन घातलेले आसा. This requisition has done more than 20 days back, like I mentioned to you. As far as plasma therapy is concerned, this is the right time now where there are campaigns being carried out. I feel as far as we are concerned, we are going in the right direction. There is no bureaucratic hurdle ever in any of the, because all of us financial, let's be very practical. आयज जेन्नाच्यान गोंय राज्यांत मायनिंग बंद पडल्या, जेन्नाच्यान सुप्रीम कोर्टा खातीर जे गोंय राज्यांत जे आमचे निर्णय जो जालो, तेजे उपरांत कितें जाला की आमचो कॅश फ्लो इज डेफिनेटली इट हॅज श्रंक. एंड त्याच बरोबर लेट मी टेल यू, whole focus of the government is on the health of the people of the state of Goa. Every state, the GST collection has dropped by more than 70 to 80%, as a result of which it is very difficult, not only here, let's talk globally also. Globally also businesses are affected. Take a restaurant business. It is said that over the next 6 months, 60% of the restaurants or 50% of the restaurants globally will be shut. And that is what is happening because people don't want to go out. People are worried. Tourism to pick up. It's all a challenge. These things are all very difficult to actually pen down what are the statistics going to be over the next 2 months. But ek sangta tumka, it is not fair to say that there is any kind of a bureaucratic hurdle. I am very happy to be working
or administrative or financial.
Chief Secretary Parimal Rai, आमचे Secretary Health Neela Mohanan, आमचे पूर्ण team. I am getting tremendous support from all of them. The Chief Minister clears everything once we put a proposal to him. And we should not be actually saying that. And let me tell you, government's focus today is on healthcare. And the government is doing its best to see that the people are safe. Yes, there will be issues. More improvement of facilities as far as the COVID care centers and ते कितें जाय ते आमी हे सगळ्या गोष्टींतल्यान कांय गोष्टी शिकता आणि त्याच बरोबर ते फुडें व्हरपाचो आमचो प्रयत्न आसतलो. कोण कितें फोटो धाडटात, कोण व्हायरल करतात, इट इज आमी तेका बंधन घालूं शकना कारण आमकां संदी गावता कितें तरी दॅट फेसिलिटी इम्प्रूव करपाक आनी इम्प्रूव करपाची गरज आहा. आनी त्याच बरोबर let's be must give them the due also that they are also working overnight.
Yeah.
Day in, day out, their officers are working. Whether it is chief secretary, one phone call, we say, okay, this is required. But yes, we have to balance the state's finances to see that we are able to not only take care of the staff, not only take care of the salaries, but the focus of the administration today, in the time where it is a crisis, pandemic crisis globally, the focus of the government is see to balance its amount of expenditure and focus it towards healthcare. That is what the government has been doing.
एक आता जो इश्यू आहा तो म्हळ्यार IITचो. आय विल स्टार्ट विथ दी इन्सिडंट जो जालो प्रेस कॉन्फरन्साचो, थंयच्यान सुरवात जाली सगळो बोवाळ. Very frankly, lot has been said, lot has been spoken. What is your frank view about the way police acted? Was it fair or was it unfair?
First of all, if you want to अंडरस्टँड वन थिंग, 70चो विकास म्हणटा ते प्रताप सिंग राणेन 70 कितें गोंयाचो फावंडेशन ते बांदोडकरा उपरांत प्रताप सिंग राणेन केल्लें आसा. कदंबाचें महामंडळ आसूं, आयज हांव भारतीय जनता पक्षाचो आयज एक मंत्री आसा. आनी एक तुमकां सांगता हांव एक रॅशनल अशें एक व्यू. लोक जाय ते गोश्टी उलोवपाक लोकांक दिसता की सहजपणे ते उलोवंक शकता. तुमकां एक सांगता, कोंकण रेल्वे कितलो विरोध जाल्लो. आयज तेच लोक कोंकण रेल्वे घेवन भोंवता सगळे कडेन. कोंकण रेल्वे शिवाय आयज आवर लायफलायन टुडे इज कोंकण रेल्वे. आयज लोकांक विरोध करपाक म्हणून कितलेय लोकांनी आयज सांगलें की आयज मुख्यमंत्रीन हे लॉकडाऊन काडला कारण मायनिंग ट्रान्सपोर्टेशन चल्ला. लोकांच्या पोटाचो प्रश्न आसा. मायनिंग जर ट्रान्सपोर्टेशन चालू जायना तर मग त्याच बरोबर कितें आसा, बिझनेस ऍक्टिव्हिटी कशें सुरळीत फुडें व्हरूंक जाय हे आमकां पळोवचें पडटा.
ना सर, प्रश्न एकच सादा की
तेच पॉइंटर येता.
हय न्ही, IIT जाय का IIT ना हो वेगळो विशय जालो. पण त्या दीस जो इन्सिडंट घडलो तो इन्सिडंट वॉज द वे पुलीस एक्टेड वॉज फेअर और अनफेअर?
पॅन्डेमिक जेन्ना जालो, पॅन्डेमिक जेन्ना चालू आहा, सेक्शन 144 इज इन प्लेस. We have to make sure that people don't. Already in Goeli there are several cases, even in Murmune there are cases of COVID. So basically तुम्ही जेन्ना रातचे जेन्ना मिटींग कोण तरी भायलो येवन लोकांक भडकोवपाचो प्रयत्न करता आनी त्याच बरोबर तो मागीर पुलिसीन तांकां म्हाका दिसता सांगलेलें, हांवें म्हायती काडली, पुलिसीन तांकां सांगलेलें की बाबा प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स बी घेवं नाका, तुमकां कित्याक लेखी तुमी दियात. ऑलरेडी लेखी त्यांनी प्रधानमंत्री पासून, राष्ट्रपती पासून, गव्हर्नर पासून, मुख्यमंत्री पासून सगळे कडेन दिल्ले आसा. म्हाजे कडेन काय रिप्रेझेंटेशन काय पावूंक ना. आयज एक विशय आशिल्लो जेन्ना कांय लोक गांवचे गांवकार लोक म्हाका येवन मेळोन गेल्ले की देवस्थानाचो एक एरिया आहा, एक 45,000 स्क्वेअर मिटर, जे काही शिगमो सगळो कालो बी सगळो जाता. हांवें मुख्यमंत्री कडेन चर्चा करून फुडल्या कॅबिनेट पर्यंत घालपाक लायला की सगळी देवस्थानाची जी कितें एरिया जी आहा, आनी थंय एक तलाटी आशिल्लो, त्या तलाटी शेअर होल्डर आहा त्याच लँडान. हे एनक्रोचमेंट जे कोणी केला ते एनक्रोचमेंटाचे कोणाचेच नांवां थंय ना. पूण कितें आहा, ह्यो सगळ्यो गोश्टी कॅन बी डिस्कस्ड एंड कॅन बी रिझॉल्व. बट सेम टायम एक सांगता तुमकां, आयज ज्या तरेन जस्ट द वे माय फादर ब्रॉट ऑटोमोबाईल कॉर्पोरेशन ऑफ गोवा, वेर्नाची इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सिटी, निस्वार्थीपणे हे सगळे गोष्टी जेन्ना त्यांनी केले, 70चो विकास म्हणल्यार ब्रिजीस पासून, रोड्स पासून सगळें इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर 70 इट वॉज डन ड्युरिंग माय फादर्स पिरियड. हांव आयला तेन्ना गोळी पाडेलीचे पूल पासून बाकीचे सगळे लिफ्ट बोंब पाडेली, इरिगेशन स्कीम. आमी इरिगेशन प्रमोट करपाक, शेतकऱ्यांक बेनिफीट गावपाक हे सगळे टिका करपाक सोंपें. पूण म्हाका एक तुमी सांगा, जेन्ना 3,500 कोटी म्हणजे 10 वर्सांनी इतले इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर प्रोजेक्ट खंयच्याच मतदारसंघात ना. आयज मुख्यमंत्रीच्या माध्यमांतल्यान आनी केंद्र सरकाराच्या माध्यमांतल्यान श्री नरेंद्र मोदीजी यांचे नेतृत्व सकयल IIT जाय म्हणून मुख्यमंत्री वचून साष्टांग नमस्कार घालता दिल्ली. आमच्या राज्याक तुम्ही IIT दिवचे. IIT जर आमच्या मतदारसंघात आयली, आयज आमचे फक्त 70 न्हू, पूर्ण तो परिसर जो आहे, गोवा विल गो ऑन द एज्युकेशन मॅप ऑफ द कंट्री. Today, when you have a private universities bill which has been passed in the assembly with institutions coming, Goa is moving towards becoming an educational hub. आणि एक सांगता तुमका, वाळपय येतलो कोण इंडस्ट्री घालपाक? This same land was earmarked by me for industrial estate or a large industry when I was a minister 10 years back. And as IIT Iyer, it will not only change that Gureli village, it will put Gureli village on the country's map and also global map and national map of education. Just like how Goa Institute of Management was brought by my father in Sakri, that is the way Gureli will become a very prominent destination. त्याचबरोबर I would want to tell you, I do a lot of wildlife photography. हांव बांदवगड वचत असता. त्याचबरोबर when you go there, you find because there is a wildlife tourism and there is a high density of tiger, local जो population ha, he has got into taxi business, restaurant business, इतर काही गोष्टी, home stays. There are multiple things. Otherwise, what is it that will come in Sattari at a distant place for development? Today, an educational institution where enough infrastructure is being created, there are guidelines. हांव एक तुमकां विचारपाचो एक प्रयत्न करता की जो कोण एन्क्रोचमेंट तेजे नाव लागला थंय, लॉट ऑफ पीपल हॅव गॉट लँड विच इज
ना त्या सामान्य जनतेचे प्रश्न तुम्ही धसास लायतले काय कितें इतलेच विचारता हांव.
प्रश्न इतलेच आहा की दोन गोष्टी, IIT जेन्ना जावपाची आशिल्ली माझे सगळे कडेन चर्चा चालूच आशिल्ली, पण त्याच बरोबर आय एम फर्मली बिहाइंड द प्रोजेक्ट फॉर IIT एज फार एज सत्तरी नो, एज फार एज गोवा इज कन्सर्न. कितें आसता की देर आर सम एक्सटर्नल फोर्सेस विच आय नो, देर आर सम पीपल हू लिव इन मडगांव and try to educate the people of Mehrauli that this should be opposed and other things. But I don't want to get into that. What I want to say is, if we as a Goans, we go on opposing every project. I do agree. तुम्ही खंय प्रदूषण घालता म्हणून काय पॉयझनस गॅस भायर सरता म्हणून प्रोजेक्ट घालपाक लोकांनी विरोध केला हांव समजू शकता. एज्युकेशनल इन्स्टिट्यूशन जे खंय 2 वर्सां भितर 2.5 कोटी 1000 कोटी रुपया थंय इन्व्हेस्ट जातले सरकाराचे, केंद्र सरकार. I feel that will boost the economy of Guwahati. It will put Goa at a different level in terms of education. NIT आयली, IIT आयली, त्याचबरोबर सत्तरीन जेन्ना IIT येता आणि हेचो परिणाम will be positively, it will impact all the panchayats. I want to give you a simple example. आयज नगरगाव पंचायत घेतल्यार, काय खोताडे घेतल्यार, खुबशे न्हंयचे देगेर आमचे उस्त्या सारको गांव तुम्ही घेतल्यार आयज जे खंय व्हायट वॉटर राफ्टिंग जाता, तुमकां खबर आहा व्हायट वॉटर राफ्टिंग जेन्ना सुरू केले तेन्ना आयज लोक पणजीच्यान थंय येवपाक लागता. लोक म्हणटा की डेव्हलप अ सायकलिंग ट्रॅक एज फार एज दॅट एरिया इज कन्सर्न. So what I am trying to tell you, उस्ते जेन्ना आमी उस्ते आनी सावर्डे म्हणजे नगरगांव आनी सावर्डे पंचायतीन लोक येवपाक लागलो, इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर आनी वाडोवपाची गरज आहा. पण त्याच बरोबर तुमकां एक सांगूंक अशें दिसता की जेन्ना इको ट्युरिझम आमी जेन्ना म्हणटा, होम्स, हाऊसेस ऑन द रिवर फ्रंट, म्हणजे इको ट्युरिझमाचे खरें डेफिनेशन घेवन जर फुडें सरल्यार लोक तेंचे भुरग्यांची पेरंट, दे ऑल स्टुडंट्स, दे नॉट गोइंग टू कम हियर टू बिकम सिटिझन्स. अँड सेम टायम इनडायरेक्ट डायरेक्ट एम्प्लॉयमेंट, इनडायरेक्ट टायप ऑफ बिझनेस, फाल्यां कोणाचो रेस्टॉरंट बिझनेस घालू शकता, वाळपय काय उसगांव घालू शकता. आणि फोंड्या वचपाची बी गरज ना. हे सगळे परिसर, साखळीचो परिसर हा, लोक येतलो आणि लोकांक तेजो इनडायरेक्ट डायरेक्ट बिझनेसाचो फायदो डेफिनेटली जातलो. एक सांगता, विकास जर जावंक जाय, आयज ज्या तरेन गोवा इन्स्टिट्यूट ऑफ मॅनेजमेंट आयला त्या सायडीक आनी ह्या सायडीक आयज कितें टिका आसतलीच, पण त्याच बरोबर आयज जेन्ना आमकां खऱ्या अर्थान फुडें वचूंक जाय, प्रोग्रेसिव्ह मायंड घेवन फुडें वचूंक जाय. हांव एक प्रोग्रेसिव्ह लिडर आहा. हांव केन्ना प्रोग्रेसिव्ह गोष्ट हांव फाटीं दवरपाचें म्हाजो सद्या मनस्थिती ना. ह्याच तरेन आमकां सगळ्या गोष्टी घेवन फुडें वचपाची गरज आहा. लोकांक योग्य तरेन, बट जेन्ना एक्सटर्नल फॅक्टर्स काम करता तेन्ना इट डिफिकल्ट टू एक्सप्लेन द एक्चुअल पोझिशन, हाऊ द बेनिफिट विल गो टू एव्हरी हाऊस होल्ड देयर.
म्हाका लास्ट प्रश्न आनी म्हाका दिसता सगळ्यांक दिसता की विचारचे, आनी आय ऑल्सो एक्सपेक्ट की तुमी फ्रँकली आन्सर दितले. जेन्ना पुलीस अशी कारवाय करता आनी सगळे जाण म्हणटात की पुलिसेचेर पॉलिटिकल प्रेशर आशिल्लो, आनी सत्तरी म्हणटकीर पॉलिटिकल प्रेशर म्हणटा आनी कोण घालतलो? विश्वजीत राणेच घालतलो, तुमी बी घाल्लो, तुमचेर पॉलिटिकल प्रेशर आशिल्लो.
एक प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स कॅन्सल करून ताका पॉलिटिकल प्रेशर म्हणना. त्यात लोकांक एक दीस पयलीं पुलिसान सांगलेले प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स तुम्ही घेऊ नका, लेखी कितें आहा ते तुम्ही दिवचे, कारण देयर इज अ सेक्शन 144, डोंट एनकरेज पीपल टू गॅदर in any place, so that police has already spoken to them. And as far as त्यांचे प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स दुसऱ्या दिसा पणजे जाल्ले आसा, ताका कोणी विरोध केला? आता जर कोणाक कितें म्हणूंक जाय, निश्चित तुम्ही तांकां पणजे हाडून ताका प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स आपलें मत मांडूं शकता. पूण त्याच बरोबर एक सांगता, गोंयच्या राज्यान IITचो प्रकल्प म्हत्वाचो प्रेस्टिजियस प्रोजेक्ट आनी तो येवंक जाय. जो येता त्या जमनीचेर तो रेव्हेन्यू लँड हा. रेव्हेन्यू लँडान जर कोणी वचून एन्क्रोचमेंट केला, तांकां कितें तरी उपाय काडून कितें तरी एक्सप्लेन करून आमकां एक वेगळ्या तरेचे एक फॉर्म्युला काडपाची गरज आहा. पण त्याच बरोबर हांव एक सांगता तुमकां की काही लोकांनी एनकरेज केले म्हणून ते रेव्हेन्यू लँडाचेर म्हणून तेजेर आमी प्रोजेक्ट, सरकारी प्रोजेक्ट हाडपाचे ना. सत्तरीची काय पलट जर करूंक जाय ही IIT करूंक शकता म्हाका खबर आहा हे कोणाक कोण कोण लोक आयज खंयचे लेटर आमकां बी कितले स्टडी करचे पडटा प्रत्येक गोष्ट and let me tell you that it is a need of the hour to have progressive projects and educational project. What can be better than an educational hub? हेजो परिणाम फाल्यां आनीक जर रेव्हेन्यू लँड आमच्या सत्तरीन दुसरो कोण प्रोजेक्ट घालपाक आयलो आमचे कडेन आसा रेव्हेन्यू लँड सत्तरीन पूण त्याच बरोबर इफ सत्तरी हॅज टू डेव्हलप आय विल डेफिनेटली एनकरेज क्लीन अँड ग्रीन इंडस्ट्रीज अँड क्रिएटिंग मोर एज्युकेशनल इन्स्टिट्यूशन्स इन सत्तरी अँड त्याच तरेन प्रोग्रेसिव्ह एक सत्तरी म्हणून प्रोग्रेसिव्ह उसगांव म्हणून आमकां फुडें वचूंक जाय नाल्यार सत्तरी आनी गोंयचो विकास खऱ्या अर्थान ह्या तरेचे आमी जर एनकरेज केले आयज एक चराणेचो धरण म्हणून आशिल्लो आयज चराणेचो धरण जर आमी तेन्ना माझे वडील मुख्यमंत्री आशिल्ले 20 कोटी रुपया आमी सँक्शन केल्ले इतल्याच खातीर की पूर्ण ठाणे पंचायत लिफ्ट इरिगेशन वॉटर ट्रिटमेंट प्लांट मिनी रिजर्वायर थंय येतले पूण ते तेन्ना कोणा कांय लोकांनी विरोध केलो आनी ते बंद पडले परमनंटली हेजो नेगेटिव्ह इफेक्ट कोणाचेर जाता लास्टाक लोकांचेर जाता आनी लोकांचें जीवन जर सुरक्षीत दवरूंक जाय लोकांक जर प्रोग्रेसिव्ह फार्मर म्हणून शेती तुमी करचे म्हणून आमी तांकां प्रोपगेट करता जर तेंचे कडेन वॉटर सोर्स आनी वॉटर टेबल हाय ना जाल्यार खंयच्यान आमी लिफ्ट इरिगेशन आनी पाण्याची सोय कशी वाडूंक शकता आयज गुळेलीचे पंचायतीचे बद्दल तुमकां सांगूंक सोदता एका गॅदरिंगाक हांव गेल्लो पयलीं हांव मंत्री आसतना तेन्ना तांकां एक मोडलेली शाळा आशिल्ली थंय हांवें नवे शाळा पासून 1 कोट्यांनी रुपया मोडून आमी 10 कोटी रुपया मोडून आमी नवीन प्रोग्रेसिव्ह अशी एक शाळा थंय बांदलेली आसा ते ई लर्निंगच्या माध्यमांतल्यान कनेक्टिविटी करपाचो आमचो थंय प्रयत्न नवी पंचायत बिल्डिंग नवीन लग्नाचो हॉल जिम लायब्ररी हे सगळे गोष्टी आमी करता गुळेली पाडेलीचो पूल 33 कोटी रुपया खर्च करून तो हांव मंत्री आसतना आमदार आसतना ते पूर्ण करून घेतला त्याच्या भायर सगळे हॉट मिक्सिंगचे रस्ते त्याच्या भायर लिफ्ट इरिगेशनाचे नवीन स्कीम वॉटर ट्रिटमेंट नवे वॉटर ट्रिटमेंट प्लांट थंय आमी कमिशन केल्ले आसा म्हणजे लोकांक शेळ मेळावली जे ते म्हणटा जे थंयच गांवांत पाणी सुकताले बायन थंय आयज पाणी आयज तेन्ना इन एप्रिल मे केन्नाच प्रॉब्लेम जायना कारण थंय आमी लिफ्ट इरिगेशन वॉटर ट्रिटमेंट प्लांट घालून शेळ मेळावली पासून कांय महिला आमकां म्हणटाली बाबा आमकां पाण्याचो प्रॉब्लेम जाता थंय एक 8 कोटी रुपया मोडून पाण्याची सोय आमी केली म्हणजे लोकांचे लक्ष ना अशें कोण जर म्हणटा तांकां खबरूच नासतलें की हे प्रकल्प खंय आशिल्ले फावंडेशन घालून ते कुसलेले ते गुळेली पाडेलीचो प्रकल्प जेन्ना हांव मंत्री जालो तेन्ना हांवें ते सगळे पूर्ण करून सगळे लोकांक आमी प्रोग्रेसिव्हली सगळे गोष्टी लोकांक दिवपाचो आयज मुख्यमंत्रीच्या माध्यमांतल्यान पैकूळ गांव आहा थंय नवो ब्रिज आमचो सँक्शन जाला टेंडर बी जालो पूण आमी डिसेंबरा उपरांत ते काम हातीन घेतले ह्याच तरेन सावड्डेचो पूल ते बी आतां सँक्शन जाल्ले आसा ते बी डिसेंबर उपरांत आमी हातीन घेतले तो पूल म्हाज्या वडिलांनी 1973 बांदलेलो पूण एक लक्षांत तुमी घेवंक जाय आयज कोणी तरी आपल्या फेसबुकार जर कितें थंय घालता आमकां काय हरकत ना दिस इज अ डेमोक्रेसी कोणाक आपलें मत व्यक्त करूंक जाय करून दी ह्याच सरकारान आयज
म्हाका दिसता लोकांचो मेन मुद्दो तो आहा IIT जाय काय नाका हाजे परस मत व्यक्त करपाक दिनात हो म्हाका दिसता व्हडलो इश्यू जालो ते तशें परत जावची ना इतलेंच म्हाका दिसता लोकांक आयकुपा जाय तुमचे कडच्यान
म्हाका इतलेंच सांगूंक जाय की एज अ लिडर one has to be very decisive and one has to be very firm. As far as Vishwajit Rane is concerned, I am firmly backing the IIT project. Whatever the consequences, God is above. People are there. Blessings of people are there for what work you do. 10 years down the line, if the IIT comes up, people will then salute me and say that, okay, it was a wise decision that this man supported the IIT. And I, as a decisive leader, I am firmly behind the IIT project. I have told Chief Minister also. Chief Minister also has told me that we will back the project, whatever, in case any explanation, anything has to be done to the people, that we will figure it out. But as far as the project is concerned, this is the need of the hour. Yes. There are no other infrastructure projects of this scale coming up in Goa.
थँक्स अ लॉट म्हाका दिसता हे दोन्ही विशय महत्वाचे आशिल्ले दोन्ही कोविडाचेर म्हणटा अख्खी गोंयभर चर्चा आसा आनी एक IITचेर म्हाका दिसता फॉर द फर्स्ट टायम यू आर स्पिकींग आफ्टर दॅट इन्सिडंट थँक्स अ लॉट फॉर टॉकिंग टू अस म्हाका दिसता गोंयच्या जनतेकय बरीच क्लॅरिटी आनी बरीच उत्तरां मेळ्ळ्या आसतलीं टायम काडलो आमचे कडेन उलयले थँक्स अ लॉट पळयत रावात प्रुडंट नमस्कार.